Hey guys, cooldomino here, and today it's time for another little unboxing here. So, probably remember my previous unboxing that I have unboxed my Firelight BG8. No, sorry, BG12. This would be a notifier. I don't exactly know what the model is, but I'll put the number on the screen. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this now. Alright, that's good enough. There's the product packing list, and there's nothing else in there. Alright, let's go ahead and take this out of the bubble wrap. This is kind of a cool pull station. I kind of saw this on eBay and I said, hey, that's a good pull station. I want to get it. I can get this tape undone. There we go. Maybe. There. I think I got it. Oops, there it goes. Alright. Oh good, it does come with the key. So, let's go ahead and focus this on here. There we go. Now this is a pull station right here. I don't exactly remember what the model is. Oh, it's stapled right there, okay. I'm gonna have to cut that off. Here's like an instruction manual. Here's the pull station. This is a very cool pull station. It's a notifier, which is pretty cool. And here's the keys. I did not seem to see any mounting screws. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a good idea to open up the pull stations first, so make sure you have no glass rod. I don't have the keys going. There we go. Right, this is what the inside looks like. Now, where is the model? Okay, here's the model right here. It is BNG 1TS. So this is the activator switch right here. So that's basically being held down when this is closed, and when you pull it, oh sorry, it wasn't in view. So basically how this works here is when it's closed, when it's not, before you pull it, it's closed and the button is being held down, but when you pull it, this button gets released. So you can actually do key activate. So if I close this up, there you go. Now, if I have this connected to a fire alarm system, which I don't at the moment, I need to put this on the fire alarm. I'll do that in a little bit. So if I do this here, if I open it up, it'll start sounding the alarm just by doing that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mount this onto my back box that I have right here, but I need to get some mounting screws, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I now have the pull station wired up to my back box, and how to pull it, you just pull it from the top, so I'm just going to pull it. Just like that. And to reset it, take your notifier key, stick it in, turn it, and boom. And then it's reset. Let's go ahead and do that again. There we go. And that's how you pull that. Now I'm going to wire this up to my Gentex Commander 3, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now it's time for everyone's favorite part, and that is testing. So the alarm I have right here is my Gentex Commander 3, and this is my notifier. I always forget the model on it. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now let's go ahead and do a key activate. And how to do a key activate? put your key in here and just open it. And that is testing. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to put this on my board and do a quick system test. Alright, so I now have my new pull station right there. I don't exactly remember the model of it again. Oops, wrong one. But there's my BG12L. I'll put the model of this one on the screen. And here is my Gentex Commander 3. So this is kind of will be like system test 2. Oh, I never took the panel out of disconnect. Hang on. There you go. Alright. Now let's go ahead and get the pullet. So we're going to start by doing this one right here, the notifier. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Silent that. Yeah, I added a silent switch right here. And now let's reset the pull station. If I can find the key. There we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and reset the system. Yeah, I have to turn the silent switch off because if I turn it on, we'll go into trouble. See? Alright. Now let's do the Firelight BG12. By the way, I don't know what the number. I'll figure out when I do the key activate. Alright, Firelight BG12 in 3, 2, 1. That time I didn't silence the system so the trouble didn't come up. Alright. Now where is my key? For the key switch. Let's get in here. Yeah, it's right here. Alright, now let's use the key switch and activate the system. Okay guys, so I am having some technical difficulties with my panels lately. My alarm's working just fine. There's something with the panel that's the problem. So let's go ahead and open it up real quick. All the wiring in here looks okay. Here is this if you care to know. Okay, so I don't know exactly what's going on my panel, so I have to do a little bit of research on that and then figure out what's going on, and hopefully I'll be able to resume the system test on my new pole station. So yeah, I'll hopefully be back with the panel fixed up.